Starting y'all off right here on the weekly. I can see what's going on. We have one pattern here. We got the M to the dub. Boom. So technically this is the first retracement to start the level 2 rise on the weekly. And then we have a smaller pattern with inside this retracement. We have the M right here, W right here. Boom. Retracement. So basically we in our reversal stage. You can see we came down. We hit the 20 basically on the weekly. So we having a reversal. So we going on our way back up. Y'all can see right here, 1, 2 tests already to the high, and that is around $1.75. So actually we will be breaking $1.75 and going to uncharted territories. We'll be in price discovery mode. So anything can happen from there. This is the weekly chart now. So I'm expecting this week to end off at the very least, with the close at $1. It's going to close at $1 at the very least. But you see how this goes? It's going to close there, but it could easily spike up. They could easily, break through completely this week if they wanted to. But me personally, I don't think it's going to happen next week. And the reason I say that is because this doji right here. I feel like this doji is going to hold it down and prevent it from actually shooting, skyrocketing to the top. But, it can happen at any point in time. So don't take my word on that. But definitely by next week, definitely hitting some numbers. Now on the daily chart, boom, we see it closer. And now we basically hit the 100 day, which is good. Like you see when it hit the 100 day over here, right? We always get a move up every time. Then we got to find it. Usually we ride the 20 to 50 depending on what part of the cycle we're in. But as y'all can see right now, but basically you hit the 100 day and we coming above the 50 and the 20 automatically. Then we'll come back down. But anytime it hit the 100 day, it's bound to go back up to stay level with the 20 and 50 EMA. And then on the daily, you see the 20 and the 50 crossing right now. So, it's about to be a massive move once we catch back up to where we need to be. Because the 20 EMA is dropping below the 50. Like, that's not supposed to happen. It happens all the time. But, when that happens, I always just signal a large move, a strong move coming very soon. When you see the EMAs cross like that, it's like they cross the gain enough strength and they just shoot out. Just like one of these moves right here. Especially we already see we coming out here to the all-time highs. We about to break through. And all we see is red. Really ain't been having any real gains. Even if it was gains, they spiked it right back down. You have to hop in and hop out on this thing. Because they about to make a big move, though. But like I said, especially since it's clear as day, it hit the 100 day on the daily. Not the 4 hour, the daily. So, we definitely got to make some moves. So on the 4 hour, boom, we on 200. Slightly below it. Then this looks good, even better on the 4 hour. Because this chart I usually use. This one literally shows 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits to the left. So it's definitely reversal. And we got the 20 EMA hitting the 200 EMA. Now that is extremely crazy. It's about to be a crazy move. It has to be. On the 4 hourly, just to see that alone. So yeah, so I'm expecting our next level to actually, geez. You see, we already got one spike here. It's going to spike up one more time, but it's a 4 hour chart. So this could happen within the next 24 hours, basically, because we already got one spike. Oh, we need another spike, and then the next one will just break us through. So that's what I'm really expecting. Unless they wouldn't count this as a spike, we could just go straight through. But like I said, I'm expecting another spike, and then we busting through out of here. So once we get to this area right here, what it is, about 83 cents, we should see a nice jump all the way back up out of here. We talking about possibly up here into like $1.60. But we will have a mean retracement because we got to bounce off this 100. We have to. But by the time that happens, we'll bounce off the 100. The 20 and the 50 should be much closer. And we'll bounce off the 50 and we'll continue our way up and break through all-time highs. So for the time being, our target, like I said, we got to break through. Top of this candlestick will be 83 cents. And after the 83 cents, we coming, like I said, we coming out of here, out of the gap. So we're looking at $1. I'll say $1.15. Then I ain't gonna say it's a serious retracement. It's gonna be a noticeable retracement though. We will have because this thing dropped. Because they can't have, keep moving it up further and further and further, especially when it's about to break its all-time high. They're gonna have to consolidate some kind of a way, not give up too much money, but I really feel like they're gonna make those moves, slowly. Gonna hit that, boom, bounce off that. Boom, come out here and bounce off that. Then boom, back to all-time highs. But yeah, anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all growing, y'all make your own decisions. But like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.